Hi students, welcome back. Now we are discussing 17a, question number 46 onwards. In the given figure, AOC is a diameter and AC is parallel to ED. If angle CBE is equal to 64 degree, calculate angle DEC. Given AOC is the diameter, AC parallel to ED is given, and CBE is equal to 64 degree. Then join AB. Look at angle DEC. 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 So this angle DEC, since AC is parallel to ED, AC is parallel to ED. What about angle ACE? DEC and ACE. These two will be the alternate angles. That is, these two will be the alternate angles. I think it is clear. So alternate angles will be equal. That is, angle DEC will be equal to ACE. These two are the alternate angles. Given AC is parallel to ED and EC is the transversal, so these two angles will be equal. Same way, ACE can be written as ABE. ACE is equal to ABE. That is, ACE lies in the segment AE and ABE also lies in the segment AE. So ACE will be equal to ABE. These two lies in the same segment AE. So ACE is same as ABE, this angle. Let it be equation number 1 and equation number 2. That is, ABE will be equal to ACE, that is, angles in the same segment. First equation we prove angle DEC is equal to angle ACE, since these two are the alternate angles. So equation number 1 and equation number 2. Then look at angle ABC. ABC will be, this ABC will be 90 degree. ABC will be 90 degree. How we got 90 degree? Because AC is the diameter. So ABC will be 90 degree, since angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So ABC we can write it as 90 degree. The total angle we can write it as 90 degree. So what about ABE? How can we find ABE? This total angle we got it as 90 degree. So what about this remaining angle? That will be 90 minus 64, which is equal to 26 degree. So this angle, which one? ABE will be 26 degree. ABE will be 26 degree. ABE will be 26 degree. Then we already proved what? DEC is equal to angle ACE and ABE is also equal to ACE. So ACE is equal to ACE. From equating 1 and 2 we will get angle DEC, we can write it as ABE. DEC is equal to angle ABE. How we are getting this? Equating 1 and 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. So DEC is equal to angle ABE. Now we got ABE, value of ABE as what? 26 degree. So we can directly write angle DEC is equal to 26 degree, that we want to find out. Next, question number 47. Use the given figure to find angle BAD. Second one, DQB. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So we can write ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree since opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, that you should write the reason here. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. We have ADC is equal to 85 degree. So we can substitute that value 85. So 85 plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. So we will get angle ABC as 180 minus 85. So this angle will be 95 degree. 180 minus 85 is equal to 95 degree. Consider triangle APD. Consider triangle APD. We have what? P angle as 40 degree, D as 85. So how can we find angle A? We know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this angle will be 180 minus sum of 85 and 40. So angle A, how can we write angle A? PAD plus 85 plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. So 85 plus 40 is 125. Angle PAD plus 125 is equal to 180. Therefore PAD is equal to 180 minus 125, which is equal to 55. Look at PAD. PAD. We want to find BAD. So same angle A we want to find out. So PAD, instead of PAD we can write it as BAD. So this angle BAD, that is angle A, BAD is 55 degree. That is the first part. Next, consider triangle ABQ. ABQ. We know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this angle A plus this angle B plus angle Q will be 180 degree. We have what? 55 here, here 95. What about this angle Q? Angle Q will be 180 minus the sum of 55 and 95. So what is sum of 55 and 95? It is 150. So 150 plus angle BQA is equal to 180 degree. So instead of BQA, we can write BQD. That is BQA and BQD both are same angle Q. So we are writing, instead of BQA, we are writing BQD. BQD. Since both are same angles. Q is the angle for BQA and for BQD also. So 55 plus 95 is 150. 150 plus angle BQD is equal to 180 degree. So angle BQD is equal to 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30 degree. We have to prove which one? BQD itself. In the question it is given as DQB. Both are same now. BQD and DQB both are same. So angle DQB is equal to 30 degree.